when we say range, boys, can you read?
Range is the difference between the highest maximum
And lowest
minimum values in a data system.
Okay, or just simply, difference. Ano bang operation ng difference, anak? Minus. Ima-minus mo lang daw, anak, yung highest, pinakamataas na value dun sa pinakamababang value. So, to find the range, this is the formula. R, which is the range, is equal to H minus L. Now, what is H? Highest value. Then, what is L? Lowest value. Okay, range give us the distance between the two extremes. So, the larger the distance, the more spread out or the data is. Okay, so now let us compare the range of Alex data to Ben's data. Ito po yan. So, let us find the range. So, again, to find the range, we need to use this formula. Range is equal to the highest value. O, based on the given, what do you think will be the highest value here? Okay, 53, yung pinakamataas na number, anak. Minus, ano yung lowest value? Okay, 45. Now, to get the range, just subtract lang to. 53 minus 45. Okay, that is the answer. That is the range. Mas madali. Tama? Madali. Kasi magsusubtract lang tayo. Now, i-compare natin, anak, yung range nung Alex data and then sa data ni Ben. Okay, what is the highest value here? 90 minus 5. Okay, 90 minus 5? 85. So, ito ay 85. Ano sabi dito kanina? The larger the distance, the more spread out or data is. Kaya tingnan natin yung bar graph kanina, mas malaki yung distance, di ba? So, nag-spread out talaga siya kasi ano po yung range na nakuha natin kay Ben? 85, mas malaki compare sa range ng kay Alex. So, do you understand the meaning of range? And this is the formula again to find the range. Now, let's try more example. So, example number 3, the given data are 12, 12, 13, 11, and 12. Let's stand up. So, first, kindly identify the highest value for number 3. 13. And what is the lowest value? Okay, then get the difference. 13 minus 11. Okay, very good. Therefore, the range is 2. Okay, next for number 4. Doon sa meron, stand up. What is the highest value, anak? Highest value is 18. Minus lowest. Pinakamababa, 5. 18 minus 5. Okay, therefore the range is 13. So, any question about range? Do you understand? Again, ito yung pinakamadali, magma-minus ka lang. Ma'am, paano kung ang given data ay masyadong madami? Pwede mo yun, anak, i-arrange from least to greatest para mas madaling ma-identify ano yung pinakamataas at ano yung pinakamababa. So,